Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Groove Up 1 litre 75 PS that we have on sale. Finished in a deep black pearl, this car is in excellent condition and comes with the optional panoramic sunroof. The signage on the side will be taken off. It's a used car event that on this particular car, if it was on finance, PCP, you get 2 years warranty, roadside recovery, MOT cover and servicing, all at a low rate of 6.9 APR. It ends the end of the month, thank you Harry, and it is a really great offer. I say these cars are very, very rare. It's been well looked after, and obviously it's got the panoramic sunroof as well. On the inside you've got the orange dash, some 31,229 miles. It has the sat-nav Maps&More, leather steering wheel, heated seats, radio, CD player, flat tyre indicator. I say it's in really, really good condition. So if this has caught your eye and you want more details, please pick the phone up, ask for Phil, that's myself, my colleague Harry, or Glenn in our sales team, and we'll be happy to send out a tailored finance quote while the offer's on. Many thanks.